Hello, it's Fast Charlie, and I've got a Jeffrey Post challenge lock here. It's number 29. If you look at it upside down, it's 62 number. Pretty cool bidding. Obviously, some work was done to this key. Very cool old lock. Looks old anyway. I don't know. Looks like it's been around the world. Can see some modifications already to the first key pin. And let's see. Turns to the right pretty easily. There we go. Little catch. I don't know. Maybe there's a T-pin. We'll see. I received this lock today from Josh Butler, along with a bunch of other cool stuff. Now it's what's going on here? Let me see. Well, we'll see if maybe I need to hold it like this. I don't know. We'll see. We'll make it work. There, that's a little better. It was a little bit tight. It's got one of those. Makes it difficult tensioning it. We'll see if counterclockwise will work. Using this Southern Specialties tensioner. Uh-oh. I'm slipping. Go to the back again. There we go. That was number 4. Number 1 has not set at all yet. Okay, now we're in a pretty deep false set. That was 3. Come on. 1 finally set. I think 2's holding us up. Maybe. No. I mean, 2 was holding us up, but that wasn't the only thing. Let's see. Excuse me. I think maybe 3 3 is. Well, 3 was. There's 1 again. There we go. Had to get 3, and then that knocked 1 down, and had to get 1 again. At least I believe that's what happened. I'm going to check out this luck using this really, really awesome pinning tray from Bobby Keys. Don't mind this stuff over here. I was working on a lock. Get the clip off. That came off nice and easily. And we'll use a shim. That doesn't want to quite go in. See how far does it need to go in. Okay, well, we're gonna see. We'll see how this goes. Should go okay. I'm expecting some T-pins. Has the construction holes filled in, and there's very light threading on 1, 3, and 4, and everything definitely had to be picked. Can't even see those pins down there. There they are. I can already see quite a bit of work. 1 is a really, really cool serrated T-pin key pin with a little spool action. Number 2 is really heavily serrated. 3 is a standard, but it looks like it may have been worked or filed off to the correct length. 4, so very short serrated. And 5 is a really, really short T-pin key pin. We'll go over those in just a second. Number 1, reduced diameter. It's like a reduced diameter barrel. I like it. And it's serrated up top. Oh, pretty sure that came out like this. The little T-pin spool. Very cool, man. I really like that. I really like that a lot. And no serrations. I would call that a serrated spool. Some may call it just a serrated. And threading in number 3. 4 is a serrated. And another one of these springs, steel springs. No threading that I can see in 4. And number 5. Looks to be a factory spool. And steel spring. Okay, so up top we have threading in 1 and 3. And again, threading in 1, 3, and 4. Here we go. Very nice T-pin, key-pin, lots of serrations. I like it. Up above it, we have a reduced diameter barrel pin, I would call that. 2, heavily serrated. Might have gotten a little bit of spool action. And I'm a fan of this one. I think this might be a factory spool. Maybe. And then you put a little bit of a T-pin there. I'm not sure, but I like it a lot. Again, standard in 3. Oops. And up above it, we have a serrated spool. And then a short serrated, and 4. And serrated, but I would call it a serrated spool actually. Pops up above the shear line, and really cool serrated. A really cool T-pin, key-pin. I don't know what I was going to say. And what looks like a factory spool above it. Not sure if there's some little bit of goo on there. I'll bet this one sits really low. Yep. All right, here we go. Everything is pretty well interactive. And these would start off feeling kind of like standards, and then as you pick them, that's when the spool would kick in, and this one you would get those serrations and the spool. Very, very nice. Thank you, Jeffrey Post, for making it and sending it out, and to Josh Butler for sending it to me. I will be passing it on probably very soon. And everybody, thanks for watching. Be good and